Okay, again, this equation is quadratic from. Why? Because look, you write like that. X plus x square root is 1 over 2. It's funny. Minus 20 equal to 0. And you suppose u equal x 1/2. And this is double. This is u squared plus u minus 20 equal to 0. Now factoring. This u is 5 and 4 plus and minus. One solution is u equal -5, and another solution is u equal +4. And you retrieve the original variable. Original variable is x 1/2 equal -5, and x 1/2 equal 4. This is square root x equal -5. Of course, no solution, because square root never is negative. This is square root x equal 4. We square both sides. X is 16. Okay, let's check it just in case. Check it. Okay, 16. 16 is check. 16 plus the square root 16 equal 20. This is 16 plus 4 is equal 20. 20 equal 20. It's correct, it's true. And the only solution set is just 16. Okay, again, it's equation quadratic from the u variable is t14. This is u squared minus 2u plus 1 is equal to 0. It's so big the solution here is, this is u 1 minus -. Only one solution, this one. Now retrieve t to the 1/4 equal 1 raised to the 4 power both sides. So we'll get t is equal 1. And the solution set. Solution set is just 1. Okay, again it's quadratic from. The substitution is u equal x to the 1/4. And the new quadratic equation is 4u squared minus 9u plus 4. So because we are solving by quadratic formula, a is 4, b is -9, and c is 4. That's a 9 plus or minus square root -9 squared minus 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 again, divided by 2 times 4. This is 81 minus, this is 64. 4 times 4 is 16, 464. And 81 minus 64 is 17, no? Is 11, 17 is square root 17. This is 9 plus or minus square root 17 divided by a. Now, this is the value of the u. We have to value the u. U is equal 9 plus the square root 17 over 8, and u equal 9 minus the square root 17 over 8. Now I retrieve the value. This is let me see. Yes, x 1/4 is equal 9 plus radical 17 over 9. You raise to the 4 power both sides. X is equal 9 plus radical 17 over 9 to the 4th power. You can leave it like that. In this case, okay, so the square root of 17 is less than 9. So this is positive answer. Okay, we have part solution. This is exactly the same. 9 minus the square root of 17 over 8. You square both sides. Square root of 4 raised to the 4th power. X is equal 9 minus the square root of 17 over 9 over 8 over 8. This is a here. This is a here to the 4th power. And this is the answer. This answer and this answer. Okay, this is a combination. This is a radical equation, but it's also quadratic from in the second part. So now you, of course, copy again. And you raise to the 4th power, because I want to eliminate the radical. So we have 5x squared minus 6 equal x to the 4th power. So in this moment, this equation is quadratic from, let me organize this, x to the 4th power minus 5x to the 2nd power plus 6 equal to 0. This is the definition of the u is x to the 2nd power, this is u squared minus 5u plus 6 equal to 0. Let's sum it by factoring. u, this is 3 and 2, minus and minus. So the solution are u3, u equal 3, and u equal 2. If I want to retrieve the original variable, this is a quadratic equation, and you square root both sides, and the answer is x equal plus or minus radical 3, and here is plus or minus radical 2. The solution set is square root 3, comma, negative, square root 3, comma, square root 2, comma, negative square root 2. Okay, again, this is quadratic from, because I saw this expression, and again the same expression, but raised to the half. So this exponent, guess 1, is double this exponent. So u is equal x squared plus 3x raised to the half. This is u squared plus u equals 6. Is u squared plus u minus 6 equal to 0. The combination is 3 and 2. 3 and 2, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 minus 2 is 1. Plus and minus. Okay, so both solutions are u equal 3, u equal minus 3, and the other solution is u equal 2. Who is u? U is this expression. And basically, this is like the square root x squared plus 3x. So square root x squared plus 3x equal minus 3 have no solution, because square root never produces a negative number. However, this yes is a square plus 3x equal 2. And you square both sides. X squared plus 3x equal 4. X squared plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Factorization is x is 4 and 1. It's plus and minus. Okay, the solution is 4, negative 4, and positive 1. Okay, but you must checking. Why is important checking? Because the reason is we have radical. When you have radical, you must check. Let me see the checking part. So negative 4 is check for x equal -4 is -4 squared plus 3 times -4 plus square root, the same thing. This is 16 and this is 12 and this is 4. This is 4, square root 4. This number and this number is the same because it's the same expression. Should be 6. And it's obvious, yes, because 4 plus 2 is 6, is true. The solution is perfect. Let's see the 1. Check it for 1. Is 1 squared is 1, plus 3 is 4, and the square root 4 is 2, again is 6. That's true. Okay, both solutions are perfect. Okay, the solution set for this equation is -4 and +1. Okay, it's quadratic from again. I define u like 1 over x plus 1. So this is u squared is equal to u plus 2. U squared minus u minus 2 equal to 0. And we have two solutions by factor. Solution is 2 and 1, negative and plus. So u equal 2 is one solution, and u equal -1. But u is 1 over x plus 1 equal 2. And 1 over x plus 1 equal -1. You flip it. X plus 1 is equal 1/2. X is equal 1/2 minus 1 is -1/2. It's one solution. You flip it here, is x plus 1 equal -1. X is equal -1 minus 1 is -2. X is -2. Two solution.